Hey guys, today I am going to be showing you my Thomas the Tank Engine and... Guys! Did you hear that? What was that? I don't know what that was, but it was freaky. Ah! So hello people, today you meet me in the dining room. Yes. And well, today we are going to look into something with a problem. I don't know how interesting or boring this video is going to be, but I know that I needed to get some content going, so here we go. Now, today I am going to be looking at and trying to repair our Electrolux i9 Pure i9. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. That's what's on the front. Yeah, so this is powered by Intel Core i9. No, that's a lie. Basically, this thing is a robotic vacuum cleaner, and we've been having a bit of trouble. Yeah, so basically what happened was it was opened up and left outside to dry, basically, or like get the... Why was it left outside? Anyway, somehow it got outside and it rained and then someone put it on the power and now it's not working. For a little bit there was like a weird line, or like there was a light and it showed just a line across the screen. So I don't know what that was, but let's figure out what's wrong with this. Now obviously I know it's water damage, so that's what I am 99.999% sure that it's water damage. We've got the base over here. I'll bring the camera over here and show you what happens when I put it on. So basically, when I put it onto the charging pad, it wasn't doing that before, but we've got lines, and then we've got... Is that actually charging? Maybe I fixed it, who knows? But the lines, that's not right. It basically does nothing. I mean, the battery should be charged, which is bad, because yes, they weren't unplugged when it got wet, so I still think something is fried inside. But yeah, let's take a look. Oh my god, I was just gonna film opening it up. We've got an E42 error, whatever that means. I'm going to look this up. We've also got like a hazard warning light, so that's not very good. I'm going to look that up first and see what it means. So what I've figured out so far is that the battery being completely white, that's a good thing. That means the batteries are charged, so at least that's not the issue right now. But I'm still checking through the manual. Okay, I found something. System error, E42, that's what we've got. Internal error. Please restart desired operation. So, I mean, if there's a way I should try to reboot it. What are you doing, dog and cat? Look, I'll open the door for you, dumbass. So according to a video that I just watched, to reset this device, you've got to turn it off. Now, I'm pretty sure that to turn it off, you just hold the play pause button, so let's try that. And then the words off should... Oh! Or it just turns off by itself. Okay, interesting. This might be a different model than what was online. And then they basically take it off this... Well, we've got battery still, so... whatever this means, I suppose let's put it back in. There, look, it's loading. Buffeting. I think that's the word. It's thinking. See, I don't know what the lines mean. Well, obviously it's loading, but like for before, it was just, yeah, see, just a line. I don't know what that means. Okay, we still have issues. What if I just... Oh my god! It works! What? Okay, let's get it on the ground. So ignoring all of the cables and the dog, let's see if it works. We've got the time now. Oh my god. I suppose it's not fried, oh my god. Of course it goes directly into the cable. I can't believe it's just doing that. I even brought out my vast and sophisticated toolbox. Are you surprised that it's working? Because I am. Yeah, obviously you don't care that much. Now, just because it works doesn't mean that it won't work later. I still have issues with this getting wet, so I am still gonna try to open it and see if there's any corrosion, and I will clean that off. Oh, I'll clean off the inside, get some water dispersants and some alcohol cleaners, and hopefully this thing lasts way longer than it has already. Now, yes, I probably am wasting my time digging into this, but I just want to be sure. Now, if you take a look at this, it looks exactly like a 4-pin power supply connector. Now, I'm not going to plug my power supply into these dingus batteries. One really bad thing about this vacuum is the batteries die really often. I don't know why, or maybe ours is like a defect. This is the second one we've had. The first one was a defect and it didn't work properly. And then this one, it just chews up batteries. I'm sure we've gone through like 6, maybe not that many, but we've definitely been through, we've had to order it at least twice, that's what I remember. Animals want to come in. I'm just gonna leave the door open for you animals. Also, I'm sorry if you hear any whirring or any animal noises in the background. And I'm sorry that this camera's quality is worse. We had a few budget cuts and now this is what you're getting. There is no obvious way to get in here. Huh? What? There's a USB port in here. Check that out. It's got, oh, too close. Go and use your macro. It's got a USB port. I've got, I mean, I suppose it's a robot. It needs to get software updates and stuff, but I mean, come on. We probably need a new brush. That was meant to be like a full circle. At one point it was a full circle. Ooh, there's a bit of rust coming out of the motor. Yeah, that's not very good, is it? For the sake of this video and the legitness of my channel, let's just say that this is not a spoon. Oh, there we go. There we go. I feel like the dentist, I'm ripping out someone's tooth. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it didn't work. It was surprisingly hard to get those little wheels out, but there are no screws. So I'm kind of stumped. There we go, we got the first bit off. The front fascia, I'm calling it. It's not exactly a car, but oh. It looks like we've got absolutely zero. We've made, yet again we've made, oh, hold on. Maybe we have made progress. So it's raining outside and I don't understand Russian. So I've got, and he cuts, he doesn't show how to get this. So, I'm probably gonna do the same. So it's like if you pull it from the front, then it wants to, it moved a little bit. Yes! Woo, that was hard. Electrolux, how dare you? that was tough. I would like to know where the motherboard actually is. Because this design seems pretty not very smart. I think maybe it would have survived the rain. We'll see. You know what? I'm done with this thing. It's not that I couldn't do it. I'm sure that I could if I wanted to spend the time and do it, but it works. So if it dies, then oh well. Yep, if it fries, it fries. I think it's okay. If it was able to do that after being accidentally put on power for the last, what, 2-3 days, I think there's nothing wrong with it. I think it's a-okay. So I suppose that was... It wasn't really a review. I mean, I did say some of my thoughts. But anyway, I tried opening it. I was going to clean out the insides, make sure that water hasn't damaged it more. But now I need to make sure that I didn't damage it more. But anyway, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I suppose that I will see you guys later. Good night.